McKenna, what are you having right now?
Having chocolate.
Yeah, is it yummy?
McKenna, what's on your sweatshirt?
Oh, gosh, that goes.
Close.
Say Walkie Warriors.
Lucky Warriors.
Yeah. Are you gonna drink some hot cocoa now? Yummy. What's your brother doing?
It's done playing.
He's there playing.
Yeah.
What's Daddy doing?
Daddy's done drinking cocoa.
Yeah. Hey, Fisher. Why are our cheeks red, McKenna? What were we doing?
Drinking chocolate.
No, what were we doing before?
Drinking chocolate.
Where did we just get back from? Where did we just get back from?
Fish are coming.
Fisher's coming? Yeah, okay. Careful, you better move your cocoa away from Fisher. Okay, hey Fisher, see you later. Bye.